Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start the first question of cash book. Now, what we have to do, we have to generalize the different entries of cash book of Mr. Jamil. Okay, have to only generalize the cash entries, not any credit entries, not any bank entries, because there is a single column cash book which we have to prepare. So, first of all, Mr. Jamil started business with cash rupees 2 lakh. Okay, so cash is debited in the business due to capital. In detail column, we write the reason why cash is debit, and here we write the reason why cash is credit. So cash is debit due to capital 2 lakh. Okay. Next entry is bought goods for cash rupees 1 lakh. Sorry, 1,40,000. Goods are bought for cash. It means cash is credited due to purchases. So here we write purchases, and in the credit we write 1,40,000. There will be no column for cash because this is the debit side and this is the credit side. Here will be no column for debit also. Okay. Next third entry is paid for stationery 2,000. Okay, so cash is paid for stationery. It means cash is been credited due to stationery. So stationery and 2,000 credit. Okay. Next is sold goods for cash rupees 80,000. When we sell, so cash will be debited due to sales 1,80,000. Sorry, only 80,000. So paid for trade expense. Paid for trade expense 2,000. So it means when I pay for something, so cash will be credited due to trade expense 1,000. Sorry, 2,000. Next is sold goods for cash rupees 20,000. So cash is debited due to sales. Next is receive cash from Mr. Asif 10,000. So cash is debited due to Mr. Asif 10,000. Next is paid cash to Mr. Kadir. So cash will be credited due to Kadir. How much? 20,000. Okay. Withdraw cash for personal use. So it is drawing. Cash will be credited due to drawings. Drawings rupees 40,000. Next is bought goods for cash. Cash will be credited due to purchases. Bought goods for cash rupees 90,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, sold goods for cash rupees 1 second. Bought goods for cash 40,000 and sold goods for cash 90,000. So cash will be debited due to sales 90,000. Okay. Paid for electricity bill 4,000. So cash will be credited due to bill 4,000. Next is paid salary 10,000 and paid rent 3,000. So salary and rent. So cash will be credited due to salary and rent. 10,000 for salary and 3,000 for rent. Now what we have to do, we have to accumulate the debit side and credit side. We have to find the total amount. If the debit side is equal to credit side, it means our cash book is right. 80,000 and 2 lakh, 80,000 plus 20,000, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 3 lakh, 10,000 and 3 lakh. Total is equals to 4 lakh. 2 lakh plus 80,000, 2 lakh 80,000 plus 20,000, 2 lakh 80 plus 20, 3 lakh, 3 lakh plus 10,000, 3 lakh 10,000 plus 90,000 is equal to 4 lakh. Now 1 lakh 40,000 plus 2,000 plus 2,000, 1 lakh 44,000 plus 20,000, 1 lakh 64,000 plus 6,000, 1 lakh 70,000 plus 40,000, 1 lakh 2 lakh 10,000 plus 4,000 plus 10,000 plus 3,000, it equals to 4 lakh. So the debit side is equal to the credit side. It means our question is one thing more. It does not equal to 4 lakh because 2 lakh 10,000 plus 40,000, 2 lakh 50, 54 and 64 and so on. Okay. So we have to write, we have understood that we have to write the both debit and credit side equals, and then we find a balance CD and balance BD. So we have seen that the debit side is more than credit side. So we will write balance BD in the debit side beyond the total amount and balance CD in the credit side and balance CD in the credit side above the total amount. Okay. So what we have to do, I have to subtract this amount from the total of this. So 4 lakh minus the total amount of total accumulation of the credit side is equal to I have to calculate 4 lakh 40,000 plus 2 1 lakh 42 46 44 64 70 70 210 214 224 227 227. So 2 lakh 27,000 will be deducted from 4 lakh. It will become 1 lakh 73,000. So balance CD will be 1 lakh 73,000 and balance BD will also equal to 1 lakh 73,000. This is our cash book. If you have any question in the cash book, this is basically single column cash book because there is only we are dealing with cash, not dealing with not dealing with discounts, not dealing with bank entries. Okay. So if you have any question in the single column cash book, you can ask me at any stage of this question in any entry. Okay. Thank you so much.